everyone. Welcome to Kababayan LA. Martes ng hapon po. I hope you are having a great afternoon. Today on the show, it's Talk Tuesday. We're going to be opening our phone lines para po kung meron kayong katanungan ay masasagot ng ating eksperto ngayong hapon. We are going to talk about corporate law, and our guest this afternoon is an expert in corporate law, Attorney Abraham Lim. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hello, Janelle. Good afternoon.
Attorney, I guess first question is, building a corporation or starting a corporation or creating a corporation, is that important?
Yes, for a lot of different reasons. Tax issues, protection, liability, structural framework of the company.
If we can be more specific, let's say, for example, first taxes. What does it do for our taxes?
Well, a corporation is an entity that is taxed individually from the employees, the stockholders, from the board of directors.
Okay.
So a lot of people, what they do is they incorporate, and the corporation pays its own taxes, and the person that actually incorporated it draws a salary from the corporation, and then the person files his own taxes based on the amount of salary he gets from the corporation.
Okay, and so that is, I think, ties into the protection that you said earlier. How does that protect an individual?
Well, the protection comes because a corporation itself is an entity. It's recognized by the state as having its own identity. And so therefore, if it has an identity, it can be sued. However, if something were to happen to the corporation itself would be the only one liable to whatever happens. And the employees, the board of directors, the incorporator is absolved or is protected from liability.
Right. And that's the number on the screen. Bukas po ang aming mga linya ng telepono ngayong hapon. Kung meron kayong katanungan, I know a lot of Filipinos are wanting to start their own business. And I know that creating a corporation also helps in terms of immigration. How does it help us?
Well, it's when a petition is filed for, let's say, an employee, if you have a corporation, the company would have documents already prepared. In order to form a corporation, you have to file certain documents with the state, with the IRS. So, kompleto na yung package in a way. And it's easier to present that to USCIS for a petition, for example.
And are you saying that there are bigger chances of the petition being granted?
I think so. Based on experience, it is chances improve for a petition filed by a corporation rather than for a sole proprietorship. Although there are petitions being approved for sole proprietorships also, but if it's a corporation, the documents are all there, it's all prepared, and it's easier to put them together in a petition.
Would you suggest, say, for example, meron kang corporation dito and you're a Filipino na meron kang kapatid sa Pilipinas, would you rather petition as a corporation, as an employee, or as a family petition?
As a corporation.
As a corporation is easier, faster. How long does it last? How long does it go?
Well, in that scenario, the corporation can petition for an employee. So if the brother happened to be a possible employee for the company, then the company can file a work visa petition for the brother, rather than the sibling petitioning, which would take years.
Yeah, 20 years. Yesterday we were talking about that. Yung sister ng wife niya petitioned, and it took them 23 years to get the petition. Pero attorney, ano naman yung LLC na naririnig natin? What are the different kinds of? Is that a kind of corporation?
No, it's not a corporation. An LLC is a limited liability company. It's also a kind of an entity for a business. It has some of the protections of a corporation, but none of the other tax benefits of a corporation. So taxing an LLC is also as if you're taxing a sole proprietorship. However, it has some of the corporate protections.
So I'm thinking that if I were to consult with you as my corporate lawyer, you can advise me on the best way to go around it, whether to put up a corporation or just do LLC. And there are the other kinds too, right?
That's right. There's LLPs, limited liability partnerships, for professionals, accountants.
Oh, okay. Marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan ngayon. Alam ko marami sa ating mga kababayan gustong magsimula ng sarili nilang mga negosyo dito sa Amerika. This is the way to go. And that's the number to call on the screen if you have questions, mga requirements, mga permits, and all that. Attorney Abraham Lim can help you, can answer all those questions today. We will be back for more. Don't go away.